Mental health defense is a very specialized and unique field. Unlike injuries where you could see it and you could treat it, mental health doesn't work that way. You can't put a Band-Aid on the pain somebody is suffering from and feeling. Mental health people that are accused of crimes are victims, not defendants. And very few law firms know how to handle that kind of defense. You need a specialized team of forensic psychologists so that you can explain to the justice system and to the district attorney that your client doesn't have the intent, can't possibly formulate the intent because they're hurting so deeply inside. But the way the justice system treats them is so ill-equipped because they don't understand the suffering somebody's going through.
Mental health defense is an area that requires both a sense of compassion and an understanding of what not only the individual defendant's going through, but what the family is going through. Most importantly, again, it's communication among the team members that are going to defend that client and knowing what kinds of questions to ask and understanding the context in which that happens, because mental health often takes place within a context, not in a black and white situation.
The criminal justice system treats a mental health person as a defendant. They're not defendants. They're mental health patients, and they're really the victim. The victim of a disease inside their own body that they don't understand, that is difficult to control, and that they act out on with impulse that they can't control. They can't have the requisite intent under most circumstances, but that has to be shown. And that takes an attorney that understands mental health defense, and has a team of people behind them that is able to defend the case properly. I do this job because I want to fight for my clients. I don't do it for personal gain, and I don't do it for my own ego. I like to win for my clients. When somebody's wrongly accused, this is the American justice system. The innocent till proven guilty, the right to fight for your constitutional rights. When you can stand up in front of the government and say, you're wrong, and just because you think it's true doesn't mean it's true, and put that case in front of 12 citizens who are not part of the government and not part of the establishment, who hear and who can feel your case and understand your client and know the suffering your client has gone through by this process and say not guilty, that is the greatest feeling to be able to say to somebody and turn to them and watch them walk out the door and have their freedom and have their constitutional rights and have their rights as a citizen of the United States of America.